Hey, let me show you how we can set up hard fall detection on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So first of all, just open the Galaxy Wearable application on your connected phone, move into the watch settings, then scroll until you find safety and emergency, then be sure that you turn on the hard fall detection with the switcher, and then open it. And as you can see right now, we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different options. And first we've got option to require swipe to call. So it will actually prevent the accidental emergency calls. So you can decide if you need this one. If you turn it on, you will actually swipe to make the emergency call. Then you've got the countdown, so there's like call emergency number. It will call emergency number automatically after 10 seconds, but you can even set the 5 seconds if you want. And with the custom time, let's see if we can set 1. Nope. So the 5 seconds is actually the shorter time after it will actually make the call. So we can set it for 5 seconds, for example. It will also play a warning sound, and we can test how it sounds. Yeah, this is the sound. And you can just turn it on and off. It will actually announce that something happened, and maybe someone in the surrounding will be also able to hear that. There's also option to play sound on the both watch and the phone. And here you can find the emergency call. So there's the list of all available numbers, but you can even get the custom number. There's option to call non-emergency numbers requires. Okay, so we can even set our own phone number, but it will require a mobile network connection. So you will have to set up an eSIM here. And here there's like probably the most important option, when to detect falls. As default, it's only set for only during the workouts, but if you actually buy this watch for your mom, for your dad, basically for someone above, like, I don't know, 70 or 80 years old, or even 60 with some health issue, it will be definitely useful to enable the always, not only during the workouts. So remember to get it always. And the last option is just to share info with emergency contacts, so it will actually send a location and SOS message to our emergency contact. So I believe that it will be also useful. So you should turn it on, and you can select someone from contacts, or you can actually create the contact right now. You can input the name, you can input the number, click save, and yeah, that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.